In order to identify an optimal formulation of VSEs for your manufacturing process, we recommend a stepwise approach. The first step is to identify working dose ranges for individual VSE compounds. VSEs can be cytotoxic to cells at higher concentrations, and cytotoxicity will vary from one cell line to another. Virica scientists can recommend a starting range of concentrations to test. A range is determined where cells are 80 to 100% viable. We have found that this is the best range to condition your cells for optimal virus production. Once working dose ranges for each VSE have been identified for your specific cell line, the next step is to add your virus into the process in order to test how single VSE compounds improve production yields. As you proceed through the range of doses, you will notice virus production will initially increase with increasing VSE concentrations. Then, virus production will decrease for the remainder of the dose range. This is because VSE activity initially increases and improves production, but VSEs at higher concentrations become increasingly cytotoxic and inhibit virus production. The top of this peak is the optimal VSE dose to achieve maximal viral yield. The peak concentrations are then validated by testing these concentrations with sufficient replicates to account for assay and production variance. Once single VSE compounds have been identified, you may want to select and combine them to further enhance production. To do this, you will want to test doses that range from the point where VSE activity starts up until the optimal dose for single compounds. Similar testing and validation steps are conducted with combinations of compounds to ultimately identify the best formulation for your manufacturing process.